We all love quartz crystals, especially the clusters. They're so beautiful and they come in so many sizes and colors. They're stunning and do some awesome energy work. Do you know how to use quartz clusters? In this video, I want to tell you what is the magic of quartz clusters. If you stay through the end, I have a bonus for you. Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic. If this is the first time in this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cluster is probably the most known formation of quartz after the point and the generator. The cluster shape looks like a plant erupting from the ground, like aloe or agave. This is how they form in an open environment as opposed to the geodes, but that's for another video. Quartz clusters and the quartz family in general, in raw form, are far more beautiful than in tumble finish. Beauty aside, what is the magic of the quartz clusters? When you look at the quartz cluster, what do you feel? What ideas come to your mind? I'll share a few and let me know in the comment section below if you agree or what else comes to your mind or your experience has been. The first one is clarity. If you're looking at clear quartz, intensity, that's the second one. That is because a cluster radiates energy in every direction of each point. That makes it a perfect configuration for rooms where people come together. Clusters also have the vibration of action. When you examine a cluster, you will appreciate the different shapes of each point, their colors, their inclusions. You will also see different sizes and different variations from the base to the end of each pointer. They're not always perfect. Some of them appear to be broken. Some of them are still small. Some of them appear to be stronger. But one thing you will pick from any cluster formation, and it's probably as obvious as its beauty, is that the pointers grow from the same place. They share a place of birth. They share a common ground, a common formation. And that is, my friends, the beauty and the magic of the cluster formations. The magic of bringing all together and the magic of growing together, staying together, despite how different we had grown individually. So, you will use this magic every time you need to bring unity and consensus. Here are 3 ways you can use cluster magic in your everyday life. Number 1, you can program a cluster for a team working on a project and place it where you hold your meetings or your workspace. Number 2, a rose quartz cluster in the family room with the intention of, no matter what, always bring the family together. Number 3, I find this one really cool. Whenever you want to branch out and expand, it can be your business, your personal interest, your own personal growth. As I said in the beginning, I have a bonus for you, a crystal grid prescription for unity and love. So here is the crystal prescription to use with a quartz cluster for the purpose of create unity in love and light. So here are our ingredients. We have a cluster. This is a fuchsia cluster. It's a little bit big, as you can see, but I'm going to switch the template to something bigger. 6 pieces of rose quartz, 6 high vibration white crystals. In this case, these are selenite, little selenite blocks. And 6 quartz pointers that on purpose I picked the smallest from my collection. This is the template for the flower of life you can download from my website, and let's get started. So here we are with a bigger template. The first thing that we do is place the master crystal in the center. And here we're going to be very careful for learning purposes so you can see the structures and where the location on the next ring is going to be at. We have quite some amount of crystals to place here. The next crystals to place are going to be the rose quartz pieces. So this is the crystal that we program with love. So one right here. The next one is the next point of the inner ring. Same here. And you continue placing these crystals until you complete the first ring, the one close to the center. Now we'll place the white crystals. Place one here. Oops. That is okay if they move, you reposition them. And the last ones, the pointers, and again we want to point them towards the center because we want to bring everybody in. We want to create unity. And that is your grid for the intention of being united in love and light. So before you go, don't forget to check the videos and links below. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.